What makes anodised aluminium grates stand out from the rest? Today I want to talk about the benefits of using anodised aluminium grates. Are you familiar with the process of anodising? Anodising is an electrochemical process that transforms a surface to metal into a visually stunning but also incredibly durable finish. Unlike paint or plating, this finish will never flake or peel, and it actually hardens and strengthens the metal, making it incredibly long-lasting. Not only does anodising make our grates resistant to scratches and corrosion, but it also makes them a breeze to handle and cut. That means no more delays or hold-ups on site, and the ability to easily customise our grates to fit your project's needs. And the best part, our anodised aluminium grates are more affordable than stainless steel alternatives, so you can get a superior product at a great price. Plus, with a lifetime rust-proof warranty and a 25-year guarantee against fading, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment will stand the test of time. If you want to learn more about the benefits of anodising aluminium grates, head over to our website.